headed over to Talis, gonna check on the status of our windows, and I'm hoping, fingers crossed, I'm gonna be able to participate in a little bit of the restoration of those windows. We're on our way to Talis Historic Restoration. It's only a few blocks from L&J Goods, and it's located in our old high school building. JR and I both went to high school here. And we are met by David. Then we're going to take a very quick little tour of the high school before we get started. This is the old cafeteria. I used to sit kind of right over there where it says Rich. That was my table right over there. This is so awesome, you guys. Right there is where I had my first kiss. No, just kidding. Just kidding. The girls' gymnasium. Look, Medina was a little bit on the cutting edge of like girls' sports here. I, for example, was a goalie for the first varsity field hockey team in Medina. Oh, I think I had a photography class here. So good, this is not a hat.
Now you're all matching. I see you do these all the time. Just put it up around the crown of your head. There you go. Perfect.
But what about my hair? Oh, I gotta put these on.
Yep, those go on your boots. And these are cut resistant gloves here. This is what we call our downdraft room, which is basically a negative pressure room where we do all lead paint removal and other scraping. So the air is filtered. You'll get suited up with your safety gear. I'll show you now where your sash are. We put them in a steam box sometimes. In your case, we do. That will soften the glaze so we can remove it without breaking the glass.
Okay. Fair warning, it's going to get a little noisy. These are our windows.
This is what it looks like pre-steam box. You'll notice as you're taking them apart how much is held together with paint and just glaze. To take the sash out of the steam box, they've been, we call it cooking, but the steam box has been on for about 20-30 minutes. No sash are in there, softening up the glaze. All right, Lynne, you can join Matt. He's going to give you a tool.
Okay.
It's going to be a little hard to hear him, but it's a special blade to remove the glaze.
So pull the glaze off.
There you go. Once you see wood, just keep going at that. Yep. Try not to tear the wood up. Keep it flat. Good.
Boy, this is some tough glaze. I don't know, maybe I don't have like the strength, or it's just a process. I think Matt's got a better tool than I do. What is this thing you gave me?
Hey Matt, can you show them?
Show them how it's done.
Oh, look at that. Matt, you threw me under the bus, man.
Yeah, we get all the glaze out as fast as we can so it doesn't set again.
Because it's soft, right?
Yes,
I get it.
And it'll harden back up. Then we'll pull the glass out.
Okay.
This one was already broken.
Good job.
I'll take that.
Okay. Because I want to like brush it all up and clean it.
To do that, you can just flip it upside down and break it.
I know.
So,
are you going to go ahead and just remove that?
I'm just going to break this loose stuff off, and we can replace that in the wood shop too.
Okay, okay.
You can put a little more muscle behind it if you can.
Or you can. Strong grip and good upper body strength, right?
Matt's got it all.
Yeah, I'm just gonna let Matt take over.
Matt likes to do the woodworking and the paint removal, and so it does take finesse in every step.
Okay.
After the glass is completely removed, this is what it will look like. We let them dry out from the steam box, so then we can get to the hand sanding stage. Your glass can go back in. This one has a lot of caulk and glaze on it, so when we can reuse the glass, we will. So after it comes out of the hand sanding phase, where he smooths out all these muttons and these profiles, that's what the hand sanding does. It comes to, this is our repair stage. This is just minor repairs where you'll see wood filler is here. On certain areas that have, gaps that are larger than 1/4 of an inch.
Later in this whole process, we're going to take a closer look into how these carpenters do the joinery and replace mutton stiles and rails, and we'll look at the anatomy of a window. Thanks for joining us here with L&J Goods and Talis Historic Restoration as we continue on this exciting journey to do the window restorations in our historic building.